What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Dumb Creativity, a channel where you can learn awesome and incredible ideas on how to make DIY stuff at home. So it's been 3 weeks I haven't uploaded a video due to some circumstances, but never mind all of that, we're back. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make an awesome little power bank which is quite powerful. So without wasting any time, let's get it on. So that was it, guys. Thanks for watching my video, and if you really enjoyed, you know the drill. Leave a like and comment down below saying anything you want. Just let me know down there. Let me know you're alive. And this was a little power bank that I made. I think it's pretty awesome. As you see, it's charging my phone here right now. You see, it's an awesome little thing. So if you want to see more of my videos, I'll leave a link in the description box below, and I'll leave a link in the end of the video so you can click it and go and watch more of my videos. And I got a lot of cool contents coming for you soon, so if you want to see those, subscribe and turn on notifications to stick around. So I'll catch you guys up next week. Peace out.